I welcome you on my channel Maths by Yunash. In this class, we shall continue our chapter Heron's Formula. This is chapter 12.1 from NCERT. So let's start our class. This is our problem first from NCERT. Problem is said a traffic signal board indicating a school ahead. This is a traffic signal board. Clear, which is written as school ahead. Clear, is an equilateral triangle. We know that equilateral triangle whose all three sides are equal. This side is A, this side is A, this side is A. Clear? And find its area of signal board. We have to find the area of these signal boards. And using Heron's formula, if its perimeter is given, perimeter is already given in question 180 centimeter, then we said what will be the area of the signal board. So we have to calculate area of the signal board. So how we solve this question? First of all, we know that sides of equilateral triangle have this. So we have to write what? Each side of the equilateral triangle BA, therefore perimeter will be what? Therefore perimeter will be A plus A becomes 3A. I hope this one is clear to you. Or we know that semi-perimeter of Heron's formula, we already know that. What is this? A plus B plus C by 2. Here A is our A, B is also A, C is also A. You have to write what? 3A by 2. I hope this one is clear to you. Now, therefore, area of signal board, area of signal board is equals to what? We know that S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Clear? All A, B, C are equal. We have write what? S minus A, S minus A, S minus A. Why? Since A equals to B equals to C. This is already equal. So what we get from here? Now, what we write here? Take S minus A is out from root. It becomes S into S minus A. Clear? We know that value of SA, value of S is, we know that 3A by 2. Right here 3A by 2 minus A. Root under 3A by 2, 3A by 2 minus A. Clear? This becomes what? 2A by 2. This becomes 3A by 2 into A by 2. This will be cancelled out. This becomes A. And from here, this will out. So it becomes what? You would directly write A by 4 root 3 square unit. This will be area of the signal board which is formed in a equilateral triangle. Now question, in given question there is a perimeter is also given. Now we have to write what? Now perimeter is already given in question. Perimeter is 180. Clear? Or perimeter of equilateral triangle, we know that 3A, the value of A will be what? 60. Therefore area equals to, we know that A square by 4 root 3. In a place of A we have to write what? 60 into 60 by 4 into root 3. Clear? This cuts up to 15 times. This becomes what? 900 root 3 square unit. Clear? Or if this is written in centimeter, because area is written in centimeter, therefore you write what? 900 root 3 centimeter square. I hope this one is clear to you. Sides of triangle, sides of the triangle are in the ratio ratio is 12 ratio 17 ratio 25, and its perimeter is 540 centimeter. Then what we have to calculate? Find its area. Clear? This is very easy question. What we write? Let the side of the triangle be what? Because side of triangle are in ratio. So what we write? Let the each sides of triangle are 12x, 17x and 25x. Clear? Perimeter is already given right here. Perimeter equals to be known as sum of the all side. You write 12x, 17x plus 25x. Our perimeter is already given in question. Perimeter is our what? 540 right here. You have to add this one. It becomes 54x. The value of x will be what? 10. Therefore sides are, first side is represented by a. Clear? A value of x will be what? 10. So a is our 120. Clear? Same as b is our 17x. So we have to write what? 17 into 10. It becomes 170. Value of c will be 25x. 25 into 10. It becomes 250. Now small s equals to b known at semi perimeter a plus b plus c by 2. A is our 120, b is our 170, c is our 250 by 2. This becomes what? 540 by 2, 270. Then we know that area of triangle. Therefore, area of triangle root over s of s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Clear? This becomes 270. Substitute all the values. S is our 270. 270 minus 120. Clear? 270 minus 150. 270 minus value of c will be what? 250. Clear? This becomes what? After solving this, you get 9000 centimeter square. What we do? Sides of triangle are already given in ratio. We have to write what? 12x, 17x and 25x. Perimeter is already given. Substitute all the values. Value of x will be 10. Therefore, our first side will be 10 centimeter. Second side will be 170. Third side will be 250. And now substitute all the values in given formula. I hope this one is clear to you. Please watch the video properly and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.